Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a winter themed pocket letter that I created using the crepe paper sweater weather collection. And I don't normally do winter mail, but I decided to try something out, especially when I saw this collection, which also reminds me a lot of the Snow and Cocoa. I think this is their kind of like their second version that they came out with this year. But I am obsessed with this little bear right here. He's so cute, and if I could put him all over the pocket letter I would, but it would have been so repetitive. So I was just like, don't do it, Lily, calm down. But so cute, you guys, and I wanted to share with you guys how it turned out. And I also wanted to show you guys a little bit more of the collection, because I did print out a bunch of stuff. So let's go on with showing you guys the pocket letter. So first off, I'm gonna of course fix my focus so that you guys can see everything nice up close. I have to be careful because I did fill this one up with some goodies, but I'm not going to be showing that because it's going to be for someone and I don't want to spoil the surprise. Okay, so here's the first three pockets, and in the first pocket is just this cute little card here that says be joyful as always, and this little black enamel dot, well, enamel heart, and then I just put a little gold clip here. I used a red doily in the back, and then I'll show you guys the paper of the collection after excuse me, I show you the pocket letter. The middle pocket just has some page flags, some enamel dots, cute little like snow hat, and some mittens. And then as for this one, it just says Snuggles and Cocoa, little cup of hot cocoa, a heart enamel dot, and some regular enamel dots. And then I put this word sticker here that says me and you stick like glue, which is so cute. And then we have, wait, trying to see how I can do this without messing anything up. We have my favorite little guy right here, super cute. I made him a little bit bigger in different ways in this pocket letter, so I wanted him definitely here because he looks so cute. And then I made a little shaker with a cute little mix right here, and this says hot cocoa every day. And then in this pocket it says you make my heart smile, follow your heart, and this cute little penguin with some earmuffs and a scarf. And then the last three pockets has this cute little sweater, and then it says snuggle up, and I added some pom-poms to the sweater just to give it a little something. Then we have a pair of socks, and it says warm wishes. And then this one is a little snowman with a little tree behind him. I did like a little fake snow thingy, and then it says hello. But yeah, you guys, that's what the pocket letter looks like. I think it turned out so cute. And then I have a little bit of tulle here just for a little extra pizzazz. And then I laminated, I got this idea from my friend Ada. She had sent me a pocket letter where she laminated some of the ephemera pieces, and I loved it. And I've been meaning to try to do that in one of my pocket letters, but I keep forgetting, so I did do it on this one. And I laminated this one that says let it snow. Of course, I laminated the little bear that I like so much, and then I also used my crocodile so that it could be more cleaner. And then I got this one that says Winter Wonderland, and that I just put inside right there for the recipient to do whatever she wants with it. But yeah, you guys, that's the pocket letter, and I am kind of obsessed with it. I like it so much. I think it turned out really, really cute. And you guys, when I make shaker pockets, I do use the fuse tool. I just don't like the line that the fuse tool leaves. Even if I do it straight, I still don't like the way it looks just to leave it alone. So I always put some type of trim to kind of decorate it because I think it just looks cleaner. So I get a lot of you asking me, like, if I use the fuse tool. Yes, I do, but I always cover it with the trim just because I think it looks cleaner. Okay, so I want to show you guys some of the little pieces of ephemera that I have left over, because I don't have a lot. I did give a bunch. Maybe I can take these out of here and show you guys some of the ones that came in the collection. These are some of the ephemera pieces from the collection. I hand cut these and I printed them out. So there's a little sock. We got some little page flags. The tree. A bunch of little word page flags. This one that says lovely. We got some birds. Some flowers. Another one of those little bears. The house. Another snowman. And another tree. So we had those in the collection, plus the ones that I used obviously on the pocket letter. And then there was also a few other ones, like little cards like these. This little tree. This one where you could write like a little note or something. And then the one that I had laminated. More little floral piece. A little house. And then we got like these little cards. And yes, you guys, I do hand cut a lot of my ephemera pieces. Practice makes perfect. A lot of people struggle cutting ephemera pieces, but I've been doing it for so long that it's just something that I became good at because I do it so often. And I just want to show you guys lastly some of the papers that come in the collection. There's this one with the houses and the trees. This one. We have this pink one. And we have the floral one. The red. This blue one. This is not from the collection, but I wanted to use it because there's something similar to it. This is from Comfort and Joy by Danny Mogstad. But this collection has something similar to that, so I used that paper. We have this wood one. Then there's this one with a bunch of like little typed up words. We have the snowflakes, some trees, and then this one. Now I think there are more papers to this collection, but I don't have them all. I don't think I needed them all. Trying to resist and not always picking up the full collection. Just get, you know, one set of die cuts and one set of papers. But yeah, you guys, that is going to be my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this pocket letter and got inspired to create some winter mail yourselves. I'll link down below where you guys can get some digital collections and stuff if you have a printer at home. But yeah, don't forget to thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit that bell to know when I post up another video. And yeah, leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think. Do you like winter mail? Do you like more holiday themed? And yeah, that's it for today. Bye guys.